Welcome to Q House, with grandeur, elegance, and style. Situated right in the heart of the city, Monaco Street, which is the pinnacle of main river living on the Gold Coast.
Occupying a double block, sitting on just shy of 1,500 square metres, with 28 metres of river frontage, this north-facing opportunity is not one to be missed.